wanted to, and maybe giving in to her was not the thing to do. I've always let her have her way, perhaps I wasn't strong, but I was all she had to turn to when anything went wrong. She's all I've had to live for, she's all the joy I've ever had, and though she's hurt me many times, she really isn't bad. I saw the love light in her eyes the day she met my Jim, then I